Hello students, today I will explain group 15, the P block elements, group 15, nitrogen family. In nitrogen family, there are the element, these elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, bismuth, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Nitrogen, phosphorus, according to their atomic radii, nitrogen and phosphorus are the non-metals. Non-metal, these are arsenic, antimony, these both are the metalloids, and while bismuth is a complicated metal due to its inert pair effect. You have studied about the inert pair effect in class 11th. Inert pair effect is shown, inert pair effect is shown in 6 period element, okay, due to its greater atomic radii, and this topic will be discussed later on. Now we will study firstly group 15 element. As I have told you, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, these are the element in the group 15. In group 15 molecule, nitrogen is present in the environment by 70% volume, while phosphorus is present in the form of mineral, and the phosphorus family, mineral family, is known as apatite family. It is apatite family, while other elements are present in the environment in the form of other ores or minerals. Right. Now we will discuss the topic physical properties of group 15 element. Atomic radii, like nitrogen has the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Phosphorus has the electronic configuration 3s2, 3p3. Arsenic has the electronic configuration 4s2, 3d10 and 4p3. That means all the elements have the general electronic configuration ns2, np3, and as we know, in p orbital there are the 3 suborbital, and in p3 orbital 3 electrons are filled according to Hund rule. Firstly, electrons are filled singly, after then they will occupy double. Means this is the electronic configuration of this group. Means they have the stable electronic configuration. Stable electronic configuration means they have high ionic energy, they have the stability power. That's why, that is the reason that nitrogen is filled in the chips packet or food container, etc. Now the atomic radii we will discuss according to the periodic table. When we move up to down in a group, in nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, atomic radii will increase due to the increment of number of shell and atomic number also. As we know, ionization enthalpy is inversely proportional to the atomic radii. That is the reason that when we move on top to bottom in a group, atomic radii will increase. That's why the ionization enthalpy will increase down to top. Clear? Now the next topic is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy is also inversely proportional to the atomic radii. Means when we move up to downward in a group, atomic radii increases. Means in the group atomic radii, with increase of atomic radii, electron gain enthalpy is decreases. Means ये ऊपर को increase हो जाएगी. Clear? And in the period it will be increased. That means when we talk about the nitrogen and phosphorus, when we move up to downward, the electron gain enthalpy will be decreases, due to the greater atomic radii. Clear? Now, the next topic is electronegativity. Electronegativity is also inversely proportional to the atomic radii. Means जब ग्रुप में हम मूव करेंगे ऊपर से नीचे को, it will be decreases as the atomic radii is going to increase. Okay, now I have used here a term inert pair effect. Bismuth has the electronic configuration 6s2 6p3, but all the element of group 5th, it is group 5th A nitrogen family, all the group elements show +5 oxidation number, while bismuth show only +3 oxidation number. Why? In this condition, due to the greater atomic radii, this atom show release only 6 p3 electrons and 6s2 electron are inert. 6s2 electrons are inert in comparison of this. That is the reason that they will not take part in the reaction and Bi plus 3 will be formed. Okay student, in next video I will explain the another things. Means there are the three compound of nitrogen, N2, NH3 and HNO3. In next video I will explain all the three topics which are included in your syllabus. Okay student, have a nice day.